Hi there, I'm Pete from Interplay, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can design with code components from your design system in Figma with the Interplay plugin. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install the Interplay plugin in Figma. From your dashboard in Figma, go to the plugin store, browse all plugins, search for Interplay, and hit install. Now jump back across to your working file and launch the plugin. You can do this from the main menu by going to Plugins and selecting Interplay, or by using the keyboard shortcut Command / and typing Interplay. If you don't already have an Interplay account, we've configured some open source libraries for you to try. If you do have an Interplay account, go ahead and sign in. The plugin loads your team's design system, and from here you can browse all of the components and examples in your design system. We're going to use the Shopify Polaris library, which has some really nice components. So to add a component to the canvas, we simply drag it onto the canvas. Interplay generates a design component in the background which stays connected to the code component. So when your code is updated, your design updates. Let's search for a few more components like a banner. And maybe a button group. Now, because the components in our library are actual code components, we have access to all of the React properties for each component. When you select a component in Figma, the plugin displays all of the React properties for that component. In this example, we can set the type of banner using the status property. Let's make this one a success banner. You may notice that this property controls multiple elements like the background color and the icon. We can set the title of this banner using the title property. Let's make our title sound a little more successful. We can also edit the text directly on the canvas. So let's click on the body text and edit the text. The text property will automatically update in the plugin, and if the text is longer, the component resizes to accommodate the text. We can also resize the component and the content will reflow to fit. Each time you make a change to a component, Interplay renders it in a browser and then translates that layout back into your design in Figma. This gets really powerful if you have complex responsive layouts where content might stack on smaller screens and then display side by side on larger screens. Depending on how your component is configured in code, you can add and remove children easily, like this action button. Let's add a button to print labels. So that's a quick overview of the Interplay plugin. We hope you like it, and we hope it helps your team collaborate more closely around your design system. If you have any questions, you can reach us on our Slack channel or drop us an email at hello@interplayapp.com.